free falling on the guitar, there's a simple strum pattern to this, which is just always a down strum. So you have your D chord, so D, D sus, D, A, and you keep on repeating that, down, 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 right? That's your pattern. But then you can start to get a little bit more fancy. So like a leveling up from that would be to add these slaps, and the slaps are literally just tapping over top or slapping down onto the 6 strings like this. Now, if you want to get more fancy with the strumming, it could sound something like this. And then you can take that level of strumming, adding the slaps and mixing them all together to sound something like this. Sometimes the slap can be just on the side of your hand as you're strumming, because then you don't have the time to completely cover, so you can. There's free falling.